Today let's see how to install Office application from Microsoft 365 subscription. There is very probable that you don't know that you can install Office application from subscription that, for example, was assigned to your corporate account because maybe you work for a big corporate, and you can install from office.com portal legally Office application and use it for example on your private PC. Or maybe you work for a medium or small company, also you got some license from your company, and this company have agreement with Microsoft, and your license allow your subscription actually allow to install that application. Okay, first let's see on which subscription we can use this feature. On Microsoft web page that you can find under the movie description, there is few subscription that allow to install Office application on few devices. If you work, for example, for big corporate, it is very probable that your corporate is using Microsoft 365 F3, F5 subscription, or maybe you are work for medium or small company and you have the different license. For example, I own my license and I bought the Microsoft 365 business subscription, and using this subscription I can install all or five PC or Mac, 5 tablets, and 5 mobile devices. Okay, how to check what license we are using? First, we need to go to office.com portal. I already log in to my account. In this case, I'm using my company account because I own the subscription, but maybe in your case you are going just to use your account that your corporate just gave you. It doesn't matter. After login to the office.com portal, we need to go to our account settings, right upper corner, just click on my name and view account. After that, there will be a redirection to different page. On this page, I need to just go to the subscription on the left panel, and I see that I'm using Microsoft 365 Business Standard. And if I compare this license name with official Microsoft page that describing if I can or cannot install, you see that I have this license, so I am able to install it. Okay, how to do it? Let's switch to the office.com portal, and on the right upper corner you have the button Install Office. After you click it, you can choose just download the installation file or click other install option. If you like, for example, personalize what language you can use, or maybe you need to choose the 32 bit installation, you can just do it using this option. If you, for example, just click this Premium Office Apps, let's just see what happened. The installation file just has been downloaded on my PC, and after I click it, I will be able to install Office application. Okay, let's do it in this second option. Let's click Other Install option, and let's see what will happen. There will be redirection to different page. On this page, I need to also just click View Apps and Devices. Let's do it. And on this page, I can just choose what exactly will be installed. By default, this application will be installed, and I cannot change it, but I can change, for example, language and the version 64-bit or 32. I can also choose the Skype for Business. This is the separate installation. I can choose the language, the version, and the edition. There is 2 editions under here. After install Skype or install Office, the file that it allows to install will be just downloaded. What else you can see here? Under the device, you will see where your license was already installed, and you can, for example, sync out your account from this machine just to disable the license. I already installed on this PC the license from here, and I can just sync out from this PC. So you can remotely just manage our license where you install your application. And this is the legal option from Microsoft. If you have some license that I previously described, you can just install and be happy to have, for example, free Office application. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and hear you in the next movie.